Hello students, in this video you will find Mendeleev's periodic law, Mendeleev's periodic table and essential features of Mendeleev's periodic table. First, I am going to tell you about Mendeleev's periodic law. In 1869, a Russian chemist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev (1869) gave a remarkable contribution towards the classification of elements based on their chemical properties. He studied all the 63 elements known at that time, and he observed that many elements have similar properties. Based on this observation of similarity in property, Mendeleev gave his periodic law. And actually his law was chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass or atomic weights. But after the knowledge of Lothar Mayer's work in the classification of elements, Lothar Mayer's work, in the classification of element. What was that work? Lothar Mayer's classified element, grouped element, by making a graph, by plotting a graph of atomic volume of element against its atomic mass. And he observed that the elements having same property reoccur on the same position of the curve. And Lothar Mayer that time gave his periodic law. Physical property of element are periodic function of their atomic weights or atomic mass. Then here see, Mendeleev's periodic law was chemical property of element is periodic function of their atomic weight or atomic mass, and Lothar Mayer's physical property of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. Then Mendeleev integrated these two statements in the form of a law called Mendeleev's periodic law, simply Mendeleev's periodic law, or it was also called Mendeleev-Lothar Mayer's periodic law. Mendeleev-Lothar Mayer periodic law, or simply it is called Mendeleev's periodic law. What is this Mendeleev's periodic law? Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass or atomic weights. That is, when elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass or atomic weight, then elements with similar property reoccur after certain regular interval. This is called Mendeleev's periodic law or Mendeleev's Lothar-Mayer's periodic law. Next point. Mendeleev's arranged element in the order of their increasing atomic masses in tabular form, in the form of a chart containing vertical columns and horizontal rows. This is called Mendeleev's periodic table. Why is this chart called Mendeleev's periodic table? Periodic plus table. Table it is called because it was just like a chart, a table in which there were vertical columns and horizontal rows in which elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. That was a chart or table. And why called periodic table? Because in that chart, in that table, elements having similar property were repeated or reoccur after certain fixed regular interval. This is why the name is given periodic table. Now next point is there. I want to tell you about the Mendeleev's periodic table. In this Mendeleev periodic table, he used letter R at the top of each R. At the top of each vertical column, each group, at the top of each vertical column or each group, letter R is used to represent any element of the group. And for example, suppose group number 1, oxide of first group is represented by oxide of any element of the first group is represented by writing R2O, like Li2O, K2O, Na2O. Hydride of the fourth group represented by RH4, for example CH4, SiH4, like that. Hydride of seventh group represented by RH, it means HCl, HBr, like that. Now I hope you have understood. Next point is this periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table, two are there. One is original Mendeleev's periodic table and other is modified form of Mendeleev's periodic table. I am going to tell you first Mendeleev's original periodic table. First point, essential feature, important features of Mendeleev periodic table. First point, in Mendeleev's original periodic table, there are 8 vertical columns. These vertical columns are called groups. Mendeleev identified these groups, these vertical columns, by Roman numerals. First A, second A, he represented that by Roman numerals like first A, the first group, second group, third group, like that, Roman numerals. Up to 8th group. And each of these groups are further subdivided into A and B subgroups. Noble gases were not known at that time. Now, second essential feature is there are 7 horizontal rows in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev identified these horizontal rows by using Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, Arabic numerals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. He gave there 7 horizontal rows as periods. To accommodate more elements in the periodic table, only these groups were subdivided into subgroups. Next, number 3 essential feature I am going to tell you. Subgroup elements of subgroup A were written towards the left side in the group, and subgroup B elements were written to the right side, like that. Next point. Elements of a particular group have similar properties and same valencies. Very important feature. Elements of the same, a particular group, same group, have same property and same valency. Valency of element from group number 1 to group number 4 is equal to the group number. For example, valency of first group element is 1. Valency of second group element is 2. Valency of third element, any element, third element is 3. Valency of fourth group element, any element, is 4. Like carbon is of fourth group, valency is 4. Silicon is of fourth group, valency is 4. Like that. Phosphorus and these are in the fifth group. Now, next point. Valency of the elements from group number 5 to up to group number 7 is equal to 8 minus group number. For example, valency of fifth group element, for example nitrogen, equal to 8 minus 5. Then valency of fifth group element is 3. Valency of sixth group element equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Like valency of oxygen is 2 because oxygen is in the sixth group. 8 minus 6 equal to 2, hence valency of oxygen is 2. Valency of sulfur is 2 because they are in sixth group. Seventh group, 8 minus 7 equal to 1, hence valency of all the elements placed in seventh group is 1. I hope you have understood. Next essential feature is, on moving from left to right across a period in the Mendeleev periodic table, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Very important. Next character, next feature. I told each of the group from 1 to 7 were subdivided into subgroup A and B, but 8th group is not subdivided. 8th group is not divided. It contains 3 sets of elements. In each set there are 3 elements. And all these 3 sets of elements belongs to the transition series of elements. Then this is about the essential feature of Mendeleev's periodic table. That's all for today. Thank you. Again, next video you will find again very interesting and informative things. Thank you.